Happy Monday, chemists. So today is April 6th, Monday, April 6th, and let's get started for the day. Okay, so as always, here's my contact information. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. So today's objective, we again are working with the same standard of factors that are affecting the reaction rates. And our objective today is I can analyze the different factors that affect the rate of a chemical reaction, the effective temperature, concentration, surface area, and the presence of a catalyst. So today we are going to be working on our mini QPA, so that's included in your guys' bundle for the week. So we're going to take this step by step. Let me just page numbers so I can refer to page numbers for you guys. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so you got to look inside the process. So if you guys, I'm screen sharing what we're working on, what I'm on right now. So this is your mini QPA number 2 handout to complete. So it's all about you guys are going to be looking at different reactions, virtual reactions or descriptions of reactions. So videos of reactions happening or labs or descriptions of what are happening. And then you are going to tell me which factor this is representing. So we talked about these 4 different factors here, and I've included a link to the slideshow, the PowerPoint that we discussed them with. So if you need a little refresher on, what is temperature, concentration, surface area, presence of a catalyst, how does that all affect the rate of reaction, and what does that mean in general, you can click on here. So you are going to read or observe the lab procedures, parts 1 through 4 below, determine what rate changing factor is being shown. So what are you observing? What's happening? Answer these different questions provided. And then again, we have this reminder. So part 1, so let's just focus on part 1 for today. This is a lot. I know mini QPAs are a lot, so we're going to take this whole week to work on it together. So part 1, so you guys have, and I've included little prompts for you in the margin here, little comments. So part 1, you will click, they're all, if there's a video connected to the part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, it's going to be linked in the part 1 or part 2, whatever. And you guys can click on this to go to that. So we have our directions here. So watch the video above and answer the questions below, determining what rate changing factor is being shown. And then you can type your which factor. This is the effect of blank. And again, we have our 4 options up here. So the effect of whatever is being shown, whatever you determine. So you'll click on the video here. You'll watch a video. We tried to keep them short. So it gives us our setup here. So we have 3 Alka-Seltzer tablets. 1 is full powder, 1 is powder, and then 1 is broken into chunks. We have 3 200 milliliter glasses of water. Their water temperature is going to be 18 degrees Celsius. So after watching that video, I'm not going to watch it with you guys. This is mini QPA. I want to see what you know. You are going to answer the question. So we have our little boxes here. So procedures. So describe what is happening in the video. So what does this person do? What is he doing? So I have a little prompting questions over here for you if you need help with thinking about what to write. So think about what is he doing? What is he changing in the reaction? So how is he changing the reaction to test a specific variable? So again, going back to these 4 variables. So what is he doing? What is he varying in the in his lab procedure in order to change a certain variable? And so what are the conditions? So how much is he using? How long? So I think I stopped screen sharing. Let me just screen share again. So I apologize for that. Technical difficulties. So if we click back in this, so what are the conditions? So he has 3 200 milliliter glasses. The water temperature is 18 degrees, stuff like that. So give me specifics like that. Then you can move on to the data and observation. So describe what happens, and then you're going to use the table to record how long it takes the reaction to finish in the different reaction conditions. So you can add more rows as needed or less rows as needed. That's fine. So again, you have questions over here. So what happens, what changes, what is different between the different variables? So if he's varying the reaction slightly, so what is the result of that? How does one of our tests vary from the other if a variable is changed? How long does the reaction take? What are the changing variables? What are we testing for? So you are going to put the condition here. So meaning what specific variable is being tested. So if we see that a person is testing two different solutions, how it reacts with one other molecule, you would put, solution 1 versus solution 2, and then record the reaction time in this little table here for you guys. And then finally, you have our, well, not finally, but we have our analysis. So analyze what happened. So what rate changing factor is being represented? How did it change? So what's increasing or decreasing? And then what is happening at the molecular level? And that feeds into model this next part. So you're going to model what is happening at the molecular level. So visually, how did this reaction go? What were the molecules doing? And then draw a representation or describe representation. So what's going on at the molecular level? So tell me if you believe that temperature is being represented here. So what happens when you vary the temperature of a reaction? So how are the molecules changing? So I need to see that you guys know what's happening at the molecular level. So what's happening with these collisions? Why is the reaction changing the way that it did based on what variable is being shown? And then finally, you just have your conclusion where you're just telling me for certain, okay, I believe that temperature is being the factor that's being represented here. So by the end of today, you guys should have up until the very tip top of page 5 completed. Just let's pace ourselves with this. So just a little look ahead, we'll have our Google Hangout tomorrow at 10:30. So please come ask questions. We'll have new uploads on Wednesday and Friday detailing more how you guys are going to go through this Minikube. Yeah. As always, my contact information, please keep in touch. I love to hear from you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.